Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to leave a group chat on Skype. Although Skype groups are a good place when it comes to conversing with your friends, relatives, family members, even from geographically dispersed locations, sometimes it might be annoying to remain in the group, especially in the presence of someone you don't want to chat with. You might also feel uncomfortable in an existing Skype group chat if you don't know anyone except your friend who has added you to the group. Regardless of the reason of your inconvenience, you can easily leave a Skype chat group with just a few mouse clicks. Open Skype app. Go to the chats list. Select the conversation that you want to leave. Right-click on it and choose Leave Conversation from the list. Click on Confirm in the pop-up window. There's another way you can use to leave the group chat. Go to the chats list. Select the conversation that you want to leave. Right-click on it and choose Manage Group from the list. A new window will open. Scroll down and click on Leave Conversation. Click on Confirm in the pop-up window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!